It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and him, with him performing his
high wire act.
his artistry today. Welcome in, guys. Beautiful canvas John has that he prepared already. He's gonna do something interesting again. So
Maybe.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Maybe it'd be interesting. Maybe it won't.
How'd you like that?
I thought it was
Sit
beautiful.
back, relax, and enjoy the show. I think
Listen.
that's gonna be my new line.
What's my line?
What do you think? I think that's a good line.
Oh, look at this. We need a new condom for the top of this painting.
Why'd you throw it at me?
Oh, I'm
Basket's right there.
just throwing it in there.
No, I was just saying the basket was right there. Ooh, that's a nice color. Oh, that's the gold.
That's gold.
Yeah.
That's gold. We know about gold, right? We
I
like
would,
gold.
oh, don't do it.
What?
Nothing.
What don't do what?
I think it looks pretty just like that.
Oh, there's something. Okay. Now for the middle.
Oh, cool.
For
Burn
the middle, we're going to try this Deco Art Purple Pearl. What's that? Purple Pearl metallic.
That's
That
interesting.
sounds pretty, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's a new one, right?
This is a new one.
Ooh, it's pretty. Oops. Avon calling.
As long as it's not Apple calling, we're okay.
Yeah, guys. Don't pick up the phone if it's any, like Microsoft
or Apple.
Apple. They don't call you on the phone. Some people have gotten their computers all screwed up because, someone on the phone says, "Oh, we see there's a problem with your computer," and then they take over your computer and they get all your information. So, just so you know, Apple, Microsoft, probably any, I don't know what other computers, but they won't call you. Just like the police won't call you for money. Those are fundraisers.
Oh, yes, they are.
Just so you know.
Okay, so we added purple, yellow flash,
I like
Art Minds, candy, apple, iridescent, and Deco Art Purple Pearl metallic with gold around the outside.
I like those colors. Those are pretty.
I know they're your favorite colors, so let's see what we got here. Let me get them. I don't want to squish on the table.
Do you think you have to be have a little bit lighter touch so that all the colors show through?
No, I'm trying not to have any color. I'm trying just to scrape it on the canvas. I'm not trying to let it be solid because this is just the first coat of
Many to
probably
come.
20. So
Oh, okay. Why are you using the good stuff then? we got like 5 bottles of ugly stuff there.
okay,
Okay, that's the first step of this.
And we'll be
John's
back.
gonna let it dry. And beautiful job, John.
we'll be back. Thank you. Okay, we're back again. See, this is dry. Made a mistake by putting it out in the sunshine. The sunshine, you start to get a little crack in the paint, so I won't be doing that anymore. So this time we're gonna add a little bit of black here. And into the black, We're gonna add some of this Festivus metallic.
It's looking pretty, John.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome. Whose color is that?
Whose? My color, I bought it at the store.
Deco bark.
Oh, those are some pretty colors. Okay, here we go.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You need it this more?
I'm just moving it over here a little bit.
Oh, okay.
That color's there.
Yeah, cool. You want your
I
thing?
have it here. Oh, I like that. Like peacock feathers with the dark in the middle, huh?
Yeah.
The dark.
Yeah, cool.
We'll be trying
Very cool.
pretty colors later. Okay.
Good job. Oh, look at that. Fancy schmancy.
Oh, just okay, hit the button. Thank you. We'll be back.
I can't reach it.
Can't reach the button right here.
Oh.
Okay, we're just going to finish this up. I'm going to add a few dribbles to it. And I think it looks pretty good. I'm enjoying the colors. This purple pearl, it's really a pretty color. So what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of my white medicine, which is here. Just a little. I'm going to add a little drop of this purple. Not much. Add just a drop there. Pull that out through the white. Just a drop more. There you go. I think that's going to be it. Probably going to have just a drop more gold too. Okay, I think that's it for now. A little signature here and I think we'll be done. Ready? There we go. Okay. Come say your thing again?
I knew which one, and I just had to stop.
Oh, it's okay.
Sorry. Oh, that came out nicer with the white, huh?
Okay, here we go. Where the hell we go?
Okay, another fantastic piece by him. You did a great job, John. It's really nice.
Thanks, dear.
And thank you guys for coming into our home and watching these videos. Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and bang the bell to get notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Let me just say that I hope that the camera is picking up the glistening and the shine and the glimmer and everything that's happening in this set that John's done. This is the number 2 of, what'd you do, 3?
3, yeah.
2 of 3. So You can check this and all our other paintings out on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. This is him and Patty doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Bye-bye.